Hey, what's up guys, it's GeeksCorner here. Today I'm looking at reviewing third-party sports loop bands for the Apple Watch. Apple first introduced the sports loop band with the Apple Watch Series 3. They do fit obviously the other versions as well of the Apple Watch, and these started popping up on third-party sites. This one was from AliExpress, and since then I've seen them on eBay and Amazon as well. It's been in Amazon in the US I think for longer. I'm not quite sure what it's like in the UK, but like I said, I ordered these for Christmas and they're pretty good so far, I gotta say. So this one is the one I actually have been using. I actually opened this up on Christmas Day. I wanted something a little bit different. Movement's quite smooth there, and these actually do fit quite snugly in the Apple Watch itself. And then this is the back that goes against your wrist, and it's nice and soft there. And as you can see, here's the Velcro on there as well. And then once it's attached, it's very secure. And obviously you've got your Velcro sound there. So a few people have asked me about what the measurements are for these bands. The official one in centimeters is 2.31 centimeters. And from all the other photos I've seen of third party, they seem a little bit smaller than the official one. So we're going to quickly measure this now. And this looks to be at about 2.2 centimeters. So it is slightly smaller in width. Now for the way they fit on the Apple Watch, like I said, I've actually been using it and it does sit okay. This is how obviously the regular sports straps look. I don't have an official sports loop one. I've only got the third party, so I can't really compare it. But I've been looking on some videos online, and they do sit a little bit smaller, but to be honest, I think that's going to be the same for all third parties from everything I've seen on there. Fitting in the wrong section yet. Let's try that again. And then slide that in. So as you can see now, that's how it actually looks on the watch there. It's not too bad. I've seen some photos where they look a bit thinner, but like I say, I think that's going to be overall the downside of third party. If you obviously want them a little bit wider, then you're going to have to obviously pay the price, unfortunately, with Apple. You've got a nice bit of movement here, but again, pulling that through, it's nice and smooth as well. Now, I was looking at some photos that iDownload blog did on the original ones. They do look thin across here, but not as thin on there. And I'll try and get a photo from an official one to a third-party one just to compare it. But that's overall. So, like I said, I got these from AliExpress. So they just arrived packaged like this. Obviously, in and out of packaging. So nothing really special for an unboxing. That's why I didn't really worry too much about doing an unboxing video on the first one. And I wanted to use it Christmas Day as well. Now, AliExpress does take some time to get you. It did take a few weeks. This is the one I haven't used yet. And again, this is the colours. You can see a little bit of different colour in there. And that's how the Velcro looks there. So pretty much the same on that one. I'm just going to check the measurements quite quickly. Not as in-depth this one. Yeah. So again, the measurements are about the same. Give or take a small manoeuvring. But yeah, so definitely worth, if you want to get something and you don't want to pay the 50 quid, it's definitely worth checking these ones out. Like I said, they've come on eBay now and Amazon. I haven't ordered any from there just yet. But that's pretty much our review. I do quite like them. Like I say, it is really soft on the wrist. Now, I know Apples are washable. These are supposed to be as well, so you can get them wet. They're supposed to be quick drying. I haven't really gotten these wet at the moment. And I certainly don't wear them to the gym. I've been wearing the normal sports ones there. But overall, like I say, it's quite a comfort. And I personally like the screen effect here. It just stands out a little bit more than it would normally. But there you go guys, so thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.